Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to create a system image backup on Windows 10. So a system image is basically a snapshot or an exact copy of everything on your hard drive, and it includes your Windows, your program files, your system settings and other things. So if your hard drive or the computer system stops working, then you can restore your system back to what it was with the help of this system image. Now let me open this PC. Now by default, when you create the system image backup, it will create the system image backup of C drive only and will give you an option to backup the D drive content also. So it is up to you whether you want to create a system image of D drive content or not. Now one thing that you must be thinking, on which storage device you should keep this system image backup on. Well, the answer to this is it depends entirely on the size of the data. So suppose you have 500 GB of data on your hard drive, then in that case you must use an external hard drive of 1 TB. But if the data on your drive is less, suppose 50 GB or 100 GB, then in that case you can use a pen drive of like 64 GB or a pen drive of 128 GB. That will work. Now what we have to do now is just insert the pen drive or the external hard drive. So in my case, I have to create a system image backup of C drive only, and it is of 50 GB size. So it has 50 GB of data. So I'll use the pen drive and I'm going to insert it now. So it is a 64 GB pen drive. Now after inserting the pen drive, what you have to do is you have to format your pen drive to NTFS format. So by default the pen drives comes with FAT32 format. So you just have to change it to NTFS format. And the way to do it is just click on it, right click over it, and just click on this option format. Now just change this file system from exFAT to NTFS. After this, just click on the start button. Click on OK button. So our formatting is complete. Just click on the OK button. Click on close button. Now in case of external hard drive, you don't have to do this step because by default they are NTFS formatted. It is only pen drive that are either FAT32 formatted or exFAT formatted. So we have to change them to NTFS format. Now after this, what you have to do is you have to create the system image, and the way to do it is just close this window, click on start button, click on settings option. Now click on update and security, and now in the left hand side just click on backup. Now in the right hand side just click on this link, go to backup and restore Windows 7. Now just click on this link, create a system image. Now under this option on a hard disk, you have to select your pen drive or the external hard drive on which you want to take the backup of your system image. So in my case, I want to take the backup on my USB pen drive. So I will select this one, this second one. So whatever your storage device is, whether pen drive or the external hard drive, just select it from the drop down, and after this just click on the next button. So you can see that by default C drive is selected and other system partitions are also selected for the system image backup. Now if you want to take the backup of your D drive content also, then just check in this checkbox. Now in my case, I don't want to take the backup of D drive, so I will uncheck it. After this, just click on the next button. So it says that the backup could take up to 51 GB of disk space. So I have 58 GB of free space, so it is fine. So I will just click on the start backup button. So the backup has now started. So it will take around half an hour to 1 hour to back up your C drive. Now after this backup is completed, it will show you a dialog box and will ask you, do you want to create a system repair disk also? In that dialog box, just click on the no button and that's it. Your backup will be done. So this is how you can create a system image backup on Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.